2 more wins. Saltis, it's two more wins. I'm just saying, 2 more wins. Yes! Thank you! What a ball from Ericsson. Buckland. And Casemiro with his Caribbean double swift kick. I don't know fuck that is, but good goal. Yes! Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, we were 2 wins away. No, we're 1 win away. And because I leave results from Liverpool game earlier, we're just 1 draw away from making the top 4. Best of said, people. Thank you guys for joining the channel. My name is Rome. You are watching the 4th official. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe, right? Don't dare if you're brand new. Remember, we're very close to getting to 1,000 subscribers. So please, drop a like, subscribe. Referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. What did we just see? What we saw was David fucking De Gea, fam. David fucking De Gea. The secret agent, the double agent David De Gea turned 007 today, fam, because that man performed impeccably for it. 2 wonderful saves, first half, second half. Perfect set of football. Listen, this man was crowned, think about last week, as the best goalkeeper this season. 17 clean sheets. Listen, 2 more to go. David fucking De Gea. Now, granted, he's been held with Martinez and Varane in front of him for the majority of the season. And then Luke Shaw, Varane, you know, every game that he's been played well, he's been played with a solid defense. But I'm not going to lie to you, fam. David fucking De Gea. Bless up yourself. Bless up your blood, God self. What did we just see? Strike force, limp dick strike force, fam. Martial, Sancho, Anthony, limp, completely limp, fam. Sancho can't get past a man for saving life. Anthony can't get past a man on the right side for saving life. If the people lock off the left side, Anthony cannot move. Don't get me started on Anthony Martial, because I don't know what the fuck he was doing throughout the majority of the game. I do not know. Bruno, shit today as well. What's going on, fam? What's going on? What is going on with the strike force? That was completely sloppy. And multiple occasions. That was just complete sloppy football. We need to do better in strike force. 2 more games left. We need to do better, because I can guarantee you, the beginning of next season, there'll be a brand new set of people playing up front. A brand new set of people. You remember me, blood, I tell you that. What did we just see? Casemiro. Casemiro, fam. That man came out of the gutters, a slide through the defense with the scissors kick, double bicycle kick. I don't know what the fuck it was, but that man just gave Manchester United top 4 with that performance. Casemiro. You know what Casemiro is today? Casemiro is the player of the season for Manchester United. He was the signing of the season. No, he's the player of the season. Casemiro. You just write yourself down in the folklore, fam. A goal in the Carabao Cup final. Another winning goal to seal the top 4. Casemiro, without the shadow of a doubt, you are player of the season. Remember, Casemiro got stolen 6 games. Remember that. Got stolen. Referee them take him for 6 bumbuckler games, right? 7 games, whichever one. 6 unfortunate games that they stole from him. But it's okay. Casemiro, you are our champion. Remember that. What did we just see? We need an improvements in our midfield. A slight improvement on what we have so far, but we need an improvement. Like, I remember Eriksen making one tackle. And because the defender, the attacker kind of sort of missed his dribble, and Eriksen took it from him. Aside from that, Eriksen cannot win a ball in the midfield, fam. I know he's there as a ball playing midfielder, but we need him to be a tackler as well. We can't have our number 8 just sitting there passing the ball and not winning back the ball. We need a ball playing midfielder. Plus, we need a tackler as well, fam, to help Casemiro. What did we just see? Manchester United securing top 4. All we need is one more win or a draw, and we are here in top 4 next season. A lot of people didn't expect that to happen this season. A lot of people said we're coming 6 or 8 or we're not going anything in the league this year. Erik ten Hag and his Manchester United Red Devils, top 4. Next year, we're going for more. Remember that. Tomorrow, Manchester United females team will be playing Manchester City. It's going to be a tough one. It's going to be a hell of a game tomorrow. I am looking forward to it because in the first game of the season, tomorrow morning, Chelsea will be playing Arsenal. And if Arsenal were to get a win, if Arsenal were to ever get a win tomorrow over Chelsea, that gives Manchester United the impetus to go there and beat up Manchester City 1 point clear, which is all we need to look forward to the last round of games against Liverpool. So listen, let's go, people. Let's go. Let's get our support. Big up yourself. I'll be trying to watch that game tomorrow as well. Second for the female team. It's going to be tough, but we can do it, fam. We can effing do it, fam. Let's go. Let's effing go, people. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there for brand new. Bless yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.